Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Scripted Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to debit card. So, withdrawing funds from your Prizepicks account to your debit card is a straightforward process provided certain conditions are met. Before we will go to the steps exactly how to transfer your money from Prizepicks to debit card, before that we need to read about the eligibility requirements. Previous deposit method, guys. So let's rate previous deposit method. You can only withdraw funds to a debit card that you have previously used to deposit money into your PricePicks account. So if you want to transfer your money from PricePicks to a debit card, which you have not used before, first of all, you need to make deposit with that debit card, guys. So first of all, make a little deposit. As I remember, $10 is the minimum deposit. So you need to make a $10 deposit with the debit card, and after that, you will be able to withdraw money to the same debit card you used while depositing money, guys. Now let's go on the next one. Playthrough requirements, price peaks mandates a 1x playthrough of deposited funds before withdrawal. For example, if you deposited $25, you must place $25 worth of entries before you can withdraw. So this is the simple rule. And now let's go another card type restrictions. Withdrawals to discover debit cards are not supported. This can only be used for deposits. And now let's go to the most important part, exactly how to withdraw money from PricePicks to debit card. So we need to go to the menu. First of all, we need to log into our PricePicks account. We can use the app version or web browser version, guys. And on the app, the tap menu is in the top left corner, and on the browser, it's in the top right corner, guys. Then we need to select request withdrawal from the menu options, and we need to choose request withdrawal. And then in the menu, we need to choose request withdrawal, and we need to enter the withdrawal details. And then we need to enter the amount we want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. And we need to select debit card as a payment option. Then we need to confirm the withdrawal. We will receive a one-time password OTP via email, and we need to enter this code to confirm the withdrawal request. There are also some important considerations. Withdrawal limits. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10, as we mentioned already. Additionally, only one successful withdrawal is permitted within 24 hours period. Processing time. While many withdrawals are processed instantly, new customers might experience a review period, which takes around 6 to 12 hours for security reasons. There is also a tax implications, guys. So that's how you can transfer money from PricePicks to debit card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.